Morning viewers. It is morning, wouldn't think so, would you? So dark today. October the 8th, I believe. About 6:20 in the morning. Yeah, 6:20. Next train is due in 23 minutes, passenger train. I've checked real-time trains. And I've checked real-time trains, and there's some freight trains due today, in a minute, next few minutes. So it's 6:20 on October morning. Yes folks, this is Alfreton train station at 6:30 on a Tuesday morning. Not really my scene, it's a bit dark, isn't it? I prefer summertime when the sun's shining this time of the morning. That platform over there, they're waiting for the Nottingham train, which is due in a few minutes. There's nobody waiting for the train this side because it ain't due for another quarter of an hour. So we hang around for the train on the other platform. When we see the headlights, we know there's a train coming, don't we? I would imagine the next one coming through that way would be a freight train. And here comes the train to Nottingham. Headlights are working. My battery's getting low on a GoPro. I've got to find a spare battery in the car in a minute. There you go, look, both headlights are working. That's the first train today. 6:30 in the morning. That looks like bigger than 2 carriages from here, I'm not sure. Looks like 3 carriages, isn't it? Or 4? And it's off to Nottingham. No, it's on how many carriages? 2 carriages. 195 by 18. 195 on the back as well, yeah. Off to Nottingham. Straight through that one was. Here comes a 9:33 train to Nottingham. 2 carriages, Northern train. I'll check real-time trains, and there should be freight train due once this one's gone. And the one to Leeds has come as well. That looks like 195017, that one. I'm getting short on memory now in the SD card, so the SD card, memory card's getting filled up. I need to do some downloading soon. I have got a video I shot last night on a motorway There was a dangerous driver on there. He was approaching one of the junctions and he decided to go from a fast lane across 2 lanes into the slip road. He should have stayed where he was and carried on to the next junction and come back on himself, but he didn't. So that's going to be on one of the videos I'll do later on. It's a green, he was driving a green car, a male, white male, might have been following, I don't know. One of them dangerous drivers, you know, driving without due care and attention. Anyway, this one's going to Nottingham, this bus, train. What I talk about buses for? Train, isn't it? He's going to Nottingham. The next one coming through the tunnel will be going to Leeds, and then we might have some freight trains afterwards, yeah. And bang on time, here comes the Leeds train. After this one's gone, there might be a freight train, not sure yet. Number 195 013 13, that is. It's a bit of a wash, isn't it? Yeah. That one's off to Leeds now. Apparently it's raining in Manchester, which is about 50 miles away from where we are now. Just pulled into a station, train going to Norwich. It's Midlands Railway 424. Pulled into a station, train going to Norwich. It's Midlands Railway 424. One's going to Liverpool and one's come back from Liverpool. Yeah. And 206 on the back. I still prefer the old City 125 trains where you can walk from the front carriage to the back carriage. These trains just gone past, you can only walk through 3 carriages and that's it. Bring back the City 125 is what I say, yeah. Right, I'll catch you in the next video folks, see you soon. super fast that one today, blimey. Here we have East Midlands Railway going to Norwich. I'll tell you the number in a minute, I think it's closer. 158858. And it's raining. Not a very nice day for being out and about. So we won't be out long today, friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? I'm getting wet doing these videos for you lot, yeah. But I don't mind. If you subscribe, it helped me out a lot. And it's pouring down now, so hurry up train, I've got to go under cover. I'm getting wet. I did say rain, we've got rain. Double six on the back. Off to Norwich, yeah. I wonder what the weather's like down there, but it's wet up here at the moment. I wonder what it's like in Norwich. Anybody know? Let me know. East Midlands train going to Liverpool Lime Street. Number 416, that one. 3 carriages. Normally 4 carriages. Wet, miserable, damp, showery Wednesday morning. About 9:20. That rain's a horrible fine rain, one that makes you really, really wet. So if you're not subscribed yet, can you subscribe and try and keep it nice and dry, yeah. Well, we'll get into Liverpool around about 12 o'clock lunchtime, just in time for dinner, yeah. Workman's over there doing something to his JCB. Don't know what he's doing. I think he broke it. And now the platform's empty. I think the builder's broke his JCB. He's banging away with a hammer, trying to fix it. The lights are working, that's about it. There he goes, banging away, look. Maybe you want a bigger hammer, my friend. There's 3 of them there, banging away. Nope, not going nowhere, mate. I think they want a bigger hammer, yeah. No trains coming yet that way. No trains that way. No trains that way. Here we've got a Nottingham train. Northern train it is. About a 20-minute trip from here to Nottingham by train, I think. Platform's getting busy again on this side. They must be waiting for the train to Leeds then, I think. Next train due will be going to Leeds from behind me. This one is going to Nottingham. What number is it? 195 005, I believe, yeah. Off, that's it. One 195 001, that one. Going to Leeds. And Bob the builder still banging over there trying to get it working.
We are sorry to announce that the East Midlands Railway Service 2 Liverpool Line Street is currently being delayed. Calling out Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Warrington Central, Widnes, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Line Street.
According to Real-Time Trains website just now, there should be 2 freight trains coming through after this one's gone. Mind you, it does say runs as required. So if it's not required, it won't be running, will it? So I'm going undercover now because it's raining again. And I think it might be a freight train coming in both directions once this one's gone. So we'll hang around for them. Getting a bit chilly as well now. I need a drink in a minute, cup of tea. Right, it's going to Leeds, that one. Right. And now there's 4 workmen over there trying to bang the JCB, get it working again. Yep, it's not working, that JCB, my friends, no way. The driver's having a little snooze in a cab by the looks of it. I can't blame him, actually. It's that horrible damp weather, you know what I mean? Yeah, it gets to it, doesn't it? Right, let's hang around for a couple more trains. There'll be some freight trains coming through in a minute. So, be right back.